If your Google Chrome keeps redirecting to random websites, strange search pages, or unwanted ads, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to fix Google Chrome redirects step by step, and these methods are simple enough for beginners to follow. We'll remove the most common cause first, then check your search settings, and finally reset Chrome if needed. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech fixes just like this. Let's get into it. The first and most important thing to do is remove suspicious extensions from Chrome. A lot of redirect problems are caused by browser hijackers hiding inside extensions, toolbars, search helpers, or coupon and download add-ons. To check this, open Google Chrome and type chrome://extensions into the address bar, then press enter. This will open the extensions page where you can see everything installed in your browser. Now carefully review the list. Look for anything you do not recognize, anything you never installed on purpose, or anything that sounds suspicious. Common examples include unknown extensions, toolbars, search helpers, coupon tools, shopping assistants, or download managers that you don't remember adding. If you find one, click Remove. Do that for any extension that looks unfamiliar or unnecessary. The goal here is to clean out anything that could be sending your browser to unwanted pages. After removing suspicious extensions, go back to Chrome and check your search engine settings. Sometimes redirects happen because your default search engine was changed without you noticing. To fix that, click the three dots in the top right corner, then go to Settings. In the Settings menu, look for Search Engine. Make sure Google is set as the default search engine. If you see any unwanted search engines listed, remove them or change your default back to Google immediately. This step is important because even if the browser looks normal, a hijacked search engine can keep sending your searches through spammy redirect pages. Once Google is selected as the default, test a new search in the address bar and see if the problem is gone. If the redirects are still happening, don't worry, we have one more powerful fix. Now let's reset Chrome settings to clear out deeper problems. This is one of the best ways to fix stubborn redirects, especially if a bad extension or hidden setting keeps coming back. Start by clicking the three dots again, then choose Settings. In the left-hand menu, click Reset Settings. After that, select Restore Settings to Original Defaults. Chrome will show you a confirmation window explaining what will be reset. Click Reset Settings to finish. This will restore Chrome's core settings back to normal while keeping your bookmarks, history, and saved passwords in most cases. It's a very effective way to remove browser changes caused by hijackers, unwanted search providers, and strange redirect behavior. After the reset is complete, close Chrome completely and reopen it so the changes take effect. Once Chrome restarts, try browsing normally and search for something simple. If everything is working properly again, your redirects should be gone. If you still notice problems, you may want to double check your extensions one more time and make sure no suspicious software is installed on your computer outside of Chrome as well. But for most users, removing bad extensions, resetting the search engine, and restoring Chrome settings solves the issue. So to quickly recap, first, remove suspicious extensions from chrome://extensions, then set Google as the default search engine, and finally reset Chrome settings to original defaults if the redirects continue. These three steps fix most Chrome redirect issues fast and safely. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like and subscribe for more troubleshooting videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.